is my first ride of the season with the chainsaw mounted. So we're getting a feel for how that affects the handling of the bike. Hopefully we get to use it today. And we're also all riding with these really freaking cool like little handheld battery trimmers made by Steel. They're hip worn, like on a belt. When we stop, well, I'll show you what they're all about. Out here doing some trail maintenance. Unbelievably silty conditions. Luckily, I'm riding lead right now, so I don't have to be eating dust, which is why I decided to start filming now. We've been actually out for half an hour or so, but when you're back into silt, you can't see anything. There's 3 guys behind me. Thank you. Enjoy your ride. Just a side note, everybody. Be courteous to mountain bikers and hikers and anybody else you come across. Most of the time, especially when they see you packing a saw, they're all of a sudden real thankful for dirt bikers, which I think is pretty funny. Anyway, the Forest Service came up here with a bulldozer actually this year, a mini dozer, and they've done parts of the trails, and those parts have become unbelievably silty, which is such a bummer. We love the Forest Service. We're thankful for the work they do, which is why we try to support them, but that was a questionable decision that we're a little unhappy. In fact, everyone, all user groups are a little unhappy about it. We haven't had any like big summer rainstorms to help tamp the dust down, and it's just silt beds, which is unfortunate. It is what it is. Oh, and in fact, there's the mini dozer. Right there, that's what they've been driving up and down these trails, so. Helpful, kind of. Our fearless leader, Scott, just took a spill. Luckily his bike got caught by a tree. We were able to haul him up no problem, but and the good news is everything up here is pretty slow paced. Everything's just so slippery right now, this moon dust. We need a good rainstorm up here. Is like really nice, but out in the sun, which by the way, it's 104 degrees today. So far, thoughts on the riding with the chainsaw. I can definitely feel it on the front end. Absolutely, I can feel it on the front end, and it makes the bike want to turn right more often than left, just because of the weight balance. So that's been interesting, especially in these rock gardens. It's nothing like too crazy by any means, but I can definitely feel it. Any pivot turns with it on hanging off the front though, so I'm sure that would be quite a difference. Although interestingly, because there's more weight on the front, you'd probably be able to compress your front forks better. But honestly, me being 270, that's not the problem that I have. Although I did respring the bike, so it depends on when this video comes out. I've shot 2 videos since then, but one has been a bear to edit, and this one might be easier to edit. So new springs, which makes carrying the saw no problem for the bike, even with my weight. So just did it in my garage. These new exact closed cartridge spring forks. Are so good. And the best part about, and I don't know much about the construction of other forks, but these forks, you don't have to even undo any of the seals to replace your springs or replace your fluid, which is freaking sweet. So all you have to do is roll out, spin out your clickers, unscrew the forks, dump the oil, measure your spring preload, and throw your new springs on. Honestly, quite simple, and the rear is, of course, incredibly easy. It's literally just spinning the collar off the adjuster, pulling just getting the spring out, this whole shock body out of the bike, and then replacing the spring and redoing your preload and sag. So that was super easy, and I have absolutely loved the feel of the bike with new springs on it. I loved it before. I couldn't say enough good things about it before, and now that it's sprung for me, it's just that much better. So how you feeling? You hitting the elbows or anything?
What's that?
How you feeling off the fall? Hitting the elbows or anything?
No, I didn't hit anything.
Oh, good. Good.
No, I just hit the tree. No, I got to the point where the only time I ever get hurt is, it's like when you're going up something that is not a hill, but like a formation.
I hear that. Oh, this view up here sure is pretty though.
Yeah, I remember the first time I got up here, I was like, what?
Yeah. I think my picture on LinkedIn is from right there. Alright. So I'm running clean up. Sucks. We get that out of here. Like I said, riding clean up, so let the dust clear out of here. Oh, you know what? This is a perfect time to show you that cool little saw that we've got on us. So it's this thing, still GTA 26, just battery power. It's got a little trigger guard, and that's it. So I mean, not incredibly powerful, but it's that. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but you just holster it, clip it, and rock on. I mean, it doesn't get much more simple than that. trail. That was a quick reminder. There you go. Freaking rock on. I'm telling you, boy, if you're gonna do any kind of trail cleaning other than like big logs, that thing's the best thing ever. Let's see, how are we sitting? Not bad. That's pretty tight. That's the only time it's moved so far, so happy about that. I'm telling you, if you clear trails, if you don't rock that thing, you are missing out. That thing is an incredible little tool. Oh, license plate. Someone had a bad day right here. Stow that. Hopefully I can get some clean air. I don't hear that 4-stroke in front of me anymore. That's good. Oh, I have a rock in here. Very fun. Thought about busting the old chainsaw out, but not worth it. I mean, basically you have to have something wider than the diameter of this little saw, because otherwise, I mean, obviously it won't reach, but yeah, that little saw is awesome. Here's the problem though, is I'm on a cutting kick, so I'm cutting everything out. And with how easy that is though, especially when you're out here on a cutting ride. If you're out here on a ride, stopping that often can get real annoying, but
I just stopped.
oh, pull the other side.
The other side?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. That's way easier. just stopped back there. There was like a little quail or something that would not get off the trail.
No way.
It was literally like right in front of my tire and just running.
What?
I had to get off and like, I was gonna go pick it up because I was like, if my dirt bike can't scare it, then there's no way I can.
Yeah, seriously.
And then it just flew away. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? Dude, those little like whoops, those tiny whoops.
It's all the braking bumps for people going down.
Yeah, those are nice.
Slowed down, coming around a corner, and there was a deer on the trail.
Really?
It didn't move until I was about 3 feet away from it.
They don't.
I was like, oh, hey, deer.
I went a little cut happy. I was just cutting everything I saw.
That's probably that was bad.
Yeah.
Right where we come over all the big rocks and all the stuff hanging over, and I'm like,
it's a horrible spot to stop.
I should really stop and cut some. I tried to cut some of it, but I'm like, it's just too much.
Yeah, I cut a little bit too, but yeah, I know I definitely missed a couple spots.
Yeah, I caught a couple of just the aspens that are just like at face level.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many.
Yeah, I caught a couple of those. So if you're from the Utah area, you're gonna know this view. This is Mount Timpanogos. Back behind me is like Midway, Heber, Deer Creek Reservoir. So yeah, it's a gorgeous day. It's super hot, but it's a gorgeous day for it up here. We're doing some really deep spacing just because of the dust, but it's been a good day so far. Uphills into the sun. I wasn't talking at all because I can't see anything. Can't see any of the rocks. This is in the sun, but it's downhill, so I can see the shadows and my head's looking down. The uphills where my eyes are in line with the sun, you forget about it.
Thanks everybody for watching. Unfortunately, my camera died soon after this last clip was filmed, which is unfortunate. We ended up getting into some gnarly terrain, lots of big logs, 2 of which we ended up having to cut out with the full chainsaw. Leave a like for the trail cutting, and leave a comment if you would be interested in one of these belt-mounted handheld trimmers. I was really impressed by them, as you could tell. I think I mentioned it 4 or 5 times in the video. And we've learned our lesson. Next time we're packing extra batteries. So thanks for hanging out with Moto for the Masses. Subscribe to the channel for more great content coming soon. And we'll check you guys in the next one. Thanks.